love for mother. Children, this is the first poem in your course book. Now we will do the workbook part for this poem, Love for Mother. The first section here is understanding the text. And the first bit A is tick the correct answer. Here we are given incomplete sentences. We have to complete these sentences by choosing the correct answer from the given options. 3 options are given for each incomplete sentence. We have to select the correct option here. The first is hundreds of stars in the dash. And the options here are A. Ugly sky, B. Pretty sky, C. Wide sky. And the answer for this sentence is pretty sky. We will put the tick mark for this option B. Hundreds of stars in the pretty sky. 2. Hundreds of birds that go dash. And the options given here are A. By singing, B. By telling, C. By speaking. And the correct answer for this sentence is by singing. We will put a tick mark for this option A here. Hundreds of birds that go by singing. 3. Hundreds of bees in the dash. The options given here are A. Black color, B. Green color, C. Purple color. And the correct answer for this blank here is option C. Purple color. We will put a tick mark for option C. Hundreds of bees in the purple color. So this is about the A bit. Now we will move to the next bit. B. Answer the following questions. Here 2 questions are given. We have to read the questions and then write answers for these questions. First question is, with whom does the poet compare his mother? The answer for this is, the poet compares his mother with stars, shells, birds, lambs, dewdrops, bees and butterflies. This is the answer for this question. Now second question is, describe why the poet says one mother the whole world over. And the answer for this is, the poet says one mother the whole world over because there are hundreds of stars, shells, birds, lambs, bees and butterflies, but only one mother. And this is about the B bit. Answer the following questions. Children, you can write these answers in your workbook. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. A. Write the rhyming words for the following words. Here some words are given and we have to write the rhyming words for these given words. Rhyming words are the same ending sound words. The ending sound of the words should be same. Those 2 words are called rhyming words. The words given here are, first let's read them. Shore, shell, singing, dew, lawn, bees. We will write the rhyming words for these given words. 1. Shore. The rhyming word for shore is chore. Shore, core. Shore, core. Pronounce this as core. Shore, core. 2. Shell. The rhyming word for shell is tell. Shell, tell. 3. Singing. The rhyming word for singing is swinging. Singing, swinging. If you can observe, the ending sounds are same. 4. Dew. and the rhyming word is chew. Dew, chew. 5. Lawn, and the rhyming word is dawn. Lawn, dawn. 6. Bees, and the rhyming word for this is keys. Bees, keys. So children, these are the rhyming words that we completed now. We will move to the B bit. B. Write antonyms of the following words. Antonyms are nothing but the opposites. We have to write the antonyms for these given words here. The words given here are pretty, sunny, greet, mother, dawn, go. Now we will write the antonyms, means the opposite words for these given words. First is pretty. The antonym is ugly. 2. Sunny. The antonym for this is cold. 3. Greet. The antonym for greet is ignore. 4. Mother. Antonym for mother is father. 5. Dawn. The antonym for dawn is dusk. 6. Go. The antonym for go is come. Now we have written the opposite words, that is the antonyms for the given words. Let's read them again. Pretty, ugly. Sunny, cold. Greet, ignore. Mother, father. Dawn, dusk. Go, come. So children, this is about the B bit in word search. Now we will move to the next section. Writing skills. Let's read what is given in writing skills. Bit A. A mother is symbolic to God. She always stays with us and takes care of us. A mother always sacrifices her happiness and comforts for the sake of her children. Don't you think it's the duty of children also to take care of her? Write the ways in which you help your mother. Children, mother is symbolic to God. She always takes care of us and she sacrifices her happiness for the comforts of the children. So it's a duty of the children to take care of their mother also. And you should write the ways in which you help your mother. Here I will show you an example like how you can help your mother, and write these points in your workbook of how you help your mother. You can write like this. I help my mother in grocery shopping, in tidying up the rooms, cleaning table after meals, setting bookshelf, fold the laundry, organize the toys, watering the plants and setting the shoe stand. So children, you can help your mother in doing all these small things. So you can write in your own sentences of how you help your mother. This is the A bit in writing skills. Now we will move to the B bit. B. Paste the picture of your mother. Yes, children, after writing how you can help your mother, you can paste the picture of your mother in the workbook in page number 12. You can write how you can help your mother and then paste the picture of your mother in the workbook. And now we completed the section writing skills in the poem Love for Mother. And with this we completed the workbook part also for the poem Love for Mother.